Ryan Ahmed, I am working to ensure uh, women security in Bangladesh and around the world. I am working to ensure and decrease uh, women harassment and sexual harassment in Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Indonesia, Nepal, Bhutan, United States of America, United Kingdom, Britain, Canada, Russia, Germany, France, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Poland, Belgium, Latvia, Lithuania, Liechtenstein, and around the world. It is my vision to ensure a safe and sound environment for all women in Bangladesh and around the world. I am ensure I am working to ensure the safe and uh, livable society for